Hello everyone, friends on Calibalord. Today I'll show what to do if your iPhone isn't visible in iTunes. First thing to try is to simply restart your iPhone. Then try reconnecting to your computer. Second is to check your cable. Definitely check the cable because a bad cable might charge your iPhone but not transfer data, so nothing will happen. And don't forget to tap Trust on your iPhone when it asks if you trust this computer. Right on your iPhone. If that doesn't work, then make sure to check if your iPhone appears in Device Manager. To do this, or what is it? Basically, check Device Manager. Right-click and select Device Manager. And here, under Portable Devices, we can see our iPhone. If it's not there, it's likely a cable issue, but you can try disabling and enabling it again. Click Enable. This might also help you. See, it's immediately detected. If none of this helped, then the only option left is to reset your iPhone to factory settings. This can also help you, or reinstall iTunes through the Microsoft Store. That's all. Sample Valor. Goodbye, everyone.